Holy shit. Alright, what's good with it, do YouTube, man? We got a special video today. Today we're going to be trying on a face mask. Now, we don't usually do this. I think this is a thing that females do, in my opinion. I don't really try face masks on. But I was taking a look at my other video and I was like, my face is not looking too good. So I need to try a face mask. So that's what we're going to do today. Pretty much how it's going to go down today. For today's vlog, we're just going to do a face mask. Hope you guys are excited for it. Honestly, I'm pretty excited. This will be my first time doing a face mask. Honestly, bro. First time doing a face mask. Can't wait. It's going to be pretty lit. I'm kind of scared because I don't honestly really know what to do. So this will be very interesting. Apparently this you can only get at certain stores, like the legit ones. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's a lot of knockoff brands of things. And I'm pretty curious of things, you know, being knockoffs. I don't want to put something on my face that's a knockoff brand. You know, I don't even know what's in the ingredients and stuff like that. So it's a black charcoal. So when you put it on your face, right? You put it on your face. And once it's on your face, it's going to, you know, like dry up. So you have to wash your face first, of course. It's going to dry up. And what you do is you peel it off, basically, at that point. And it's going to peel off like a bunch of dirt in your skin, a bunch of stuff that you really don't want on your skin, honestly. And then once we see it, we're gonna be like, oh my God, Nate, what is going on with your face? You feel me? But yeah, we're gonna do that. It'll be pretty lit, honestly. My arm's getting tired. I was lifting heavy today, guys. Bear with me. Pretty positive things will happen with this outcome. Hopefully we come out looking like, I was gonna say Nate Diaz. No, we don't want to look like Nate Diaz. Hopefully we come out looking like, I don't want to say Conor McGregor either. Who should I say? Who should I say? I don't know. Hopefully we come out looking like Natepushweights. But can't wait. Y'all let me know what you think about this product. If you do use face masks. I don't know many dudes that use face masks, but if there's any female, you know, watchers watching right now and you use face masks, please let me know which one you use so I can get my face clear, looking clean and sharp for everybody on YouTube. You see what I'm saying? But let's get right into it. Let's see how this goes and pray for me, guys. Alright, so let's get right into this. Here's the face mask right here. Like I said again, we're gonna be trying this on. Let's see if this works. Honestly. Now if you're new, hit that sub button, hit that like button. Comment below if you ever used a face mask before. Let's get right into it.
Here we go. Apply to freshly cleansed and dried skin. Smooth a thin coating over a face and neck. Avoid eye area. Allow mask to dry for 15 minutes. Then peel off, starting from the jawline upwards. Finish by rinsing skin thoroughly with warm water. Okay, warm water. Then pat dry skin. Use 1 to 3 times per week on alternate days. Okay, so pretty simple. Now there is a caution line here. Let's read this. A mild tingling sensation, normal upon application. This mask is used with care. Oh no, this mask you must use with care. For external use only. Keep out of eyes. If irritated or rash develops, don't continue. Okay. Now I'm not really gonna go over the ingredients, but we're just going to try this and pray to God that nothing happens to me right now. Let's get right into it. Here we go. So I got this little stick thingy. And what I'm supposed to do is basically, I'm supposed to pour the solution on it and then go like this with my face. So that's what we're going to do. Here we go. As y'all can see. Is it going to come out? What's going on? Oh, okay. This thing's tough. I really have to squeeze. All right, here we go. There we go. Wow. All right, I don't know if that's enough. We're just going to go off it like this. And we're going to start putting it on the face. Here we go.
All right, you know I gotta look like a football player first, right? All right, here we go.
Literally, I'm gonna try and get every part of my skin on my face. I really don't think I'm doing this right.
All right, I had to use the mirror.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Honestly, because I could not see through this camera. Now, this is the finished product right here. Now, I should have put a do-rag on, I'm not gonna lie. I got some in my hair over here, and it looks pretty weird. But yeah, this is full football face mask right here. If I want to go to game day looking scary, this is how I'm gonna look. But yeah, let's see how this goes. We're gonna give it 15 minutes, and yeah, it's gonna be a wrap. I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Honestly, this feels so wet on my face. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I can feel my face tingling in a sense that, and no homo, by the way. I can feel my face tingling in the sense that it's working. You know what I'm saying? Like, it feels so weird. Like, why does it feel like this? Like, is it supposed to feel like this every time? I don't know. I don't do face masks. If you know in the comment section, please let me know. Please let a guy know. But wow, I might need to do this every single day. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe every other day. This is cool though. I like it. Make me look beautiful. Make me look like Beyonce or something. You know what I mean?
Got him! Got him!
Alright, so here we go. This is where I pull everything that's black on my face. Well, not literally everything because I am black. But this is where I pull everything off my face. Everything is literally like hard. Like I literally cannot move. So I don't know how this is gonna be. Let's just do this. So here we go. As you guys can see right here, it's like literally pulling off. So all I'm gonna do is just rip it. But let's try to soften it up. Holy shit. Hold up. Bro, I feel like I'm pulling off my own skin, bro. Should I wear this for Halloween, y'all? Y'all think? 5,000 likes and I wear this for Halloween. Look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but literally I have nothing on my face. Either this is a bad mask or there's literally nothing. There's literally nothing. So I got some pretty clean pores, I must say. Pretty good job. First time using that. was pretty much a success. Yeah, I'm definitely probably gonna try this again, and we'll see if I actually have a better, clearer face next time. But I really enjoyed that. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it as well. And yeah, more lit videos to come, man. If you're not subscribed, hit that sub button. Hit that like button. Also, man. Listen, if you're not subscribed, you get no cookies. It's simple as that. No cookies for you. Everybody loves cookies. Oreos, M&M, chocolate chip, whatever. Don't matter. Hit that subscribe button and comment below what you think of the face mask. And I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Thanks for watching.